The simple practice that you have to do from this moment, when you stand up, when you sit down, when you walk, the simple thing is, now you come down, when you sit down, just practice this. It will happen in your mind. Handle it slowly. Don't count like 1, 2 like this. Another 3, another 3, another 3. After a few days, count 11. So use the mind also to do it. You just do this with every aspect of your life. So I want you to understand this. Everything that you see, hear, smell, taste and touch is recorded. Your memory problems are only your ability to bring it back when you need.
Yes.
There is no recording problem.
No.
It is recording everything. But you are not able to pick out what you want. If you want to pick this out, something else is coming. So that is just a question of clarity, not of memory.
Yes, exactly.
Memory means, suppose if we say this phone has low memory, what does it mean? It has limited capability to record, isn't it?
Yes.
If I press 2, if 5 comes, what does it mean? Bad memory or bad keyboard?
Bad keyboard.
Bad keyboard. So this is a question of bad keyboard. This is not a question of bad memory. It's very important that you call 2, not 5. It is a question of bad keyboard. Don't try to fix the memory. Memory is great.
Yes.
Everything that you see is recorded. You're not able to type out the right number. That's all the problem is, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is not a question of memory, this is a question of clarity. So we have to work on clarity. What is it that gives us clarity of mind? First thing is, we learn to… if our clarity is not good by itself, the simple thing is to handle things with a certain precision.
Okay.
This is Hatha Yoga. Where your feet should be, here, not here, like this. Where your hand should be, like this. It's not proper, it's just like this. In setting all this, my head is looking down. Oh, not like this, like this. Precision.
Yes.
Now you come down, when you sit down, you watch this, okay? How your pen should be, like this. Whatever you brought with you, your book, where your notebook should sit, where your pen should sit, they should sit. Just practice this. With every little thing, just bring the precision into your activity, it will happen in your mind. You will see, then if I say this, it goes to number 2, it won't go to 5.
Yes.
Yes. Now gets confused, so handle it slowly. 2, 3, 1. Okay, 2 is here, 3 is here, 1 is here. You just do this with every aspect of your life. You go to bed, how it should be, everything. You go in your room, how it should be. Just bring this meticulousness
Yes.
of what you're doing with the asana into your life. You will see slowly mind will become very, very clear. It becomes meticulous with everything. The simple practice that you have to do from this moment, when you stand up, when you sit down, when you walk, and when you go out here, you should just look like this, like you're doing what? Chandrasana, like this. How many columns in this? Don't try to count all of them. The first row, if you simply look like this, oh, it's 5 columns. Just you must register this. 5 columns, 1 vessel, one sitting rock, one big rock, one pond, another three, another 4 columns, one door. How tall? Looks like 12 feet. Just do this
Okay.
with everything. How many steps from here to there? Don't count like 1, 2 like this. After you take 3 steps, okay, that's I think 3. Another 3, another 3, another 3. After a few days, count 11 or 4 or 5. Just like that, without thinking, you must slowly know
Okay.
that, okay, I think I walked 12 steps. This is yoga. This effect will happen over a period of time by itself, but now we are in a hurry, so use the mind also to do it, to bring that precision. What you're trying to bring in your body, bring that precision in your mind also. Let the mind imitate the body. You will see clarity will naturally come. Memory is not the problem. Everything is anyway recorded. I will abuse you right now. I'm going to abuse you badly.
Okay.
Try to forget it. Will you?
Yes.
For all your life you'll remember it. Yes or no? So you got great memory. You just remember bad words, that's all.
Exactly. 10 unknown facts about the brain. Namaskaram. The story involves a search for a witness who could confirm a conversation, showcasing the significance of memory and recall in the situation. It emphasizes the connection between our capabilities and how well our brain functions in different situations. The brain is an incredibly intricate organ, often described as the most complex part of the human body, due to its astonishing capabilities in processing information, controlling body functions, and governing our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Its complexities lies not only in structure but also in diverse functions, which continues to fascinate scientists and medical professionals alike. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating intricacies of the brain. Multitasking realities. While we commonly use the term multitasking to describe handling multiple tasks simultaneously, the brain actually engages in rapid context switching. This involves shifting focus between different tasks swiftly rather than performing them simultaneously. Understanding the cognitive process helps us appreciate the brain's efficiency and adaptability in managing various activities. Weight and composition insights. Beyond its functional aspects, the brain's physical attributes are equally intriguing. An average about brain weighs approximately 3 pounds, with the cerebrum constituting a significant portion of its weight. The part of the brain is responsible for higher cognitive functions such as reasoning, problem solving, and memory storage. Hydration and brain health. The brain's composition underscores the importance of hydration for optimal functioning. With about 75% of its mass composed of water, even slight dehydration can impact cognitive abilities such as memory, attention, and decision making. Maintaining a proper hydration level supports overall brain health and mental acuity. Dynamic brain development. The brain's developmental journey is remarkable. During infancy, it undergoes rapid growth, tripling in size within the first years of life. This developmental trajectory continues through childhood and adolescence, shaping cognitive abilities and neural connections. Full brain maturity is typically achieved around the mid-20s, highlighting the prolonged development phase unique to the brain. Insights into pain and neurochemistry. Understanding the mechanism behind the headaches provides insights into brain chemistry and brain perception. Chemical activities involving neurotransmitters like serotonin play a crucial role in headache disorders, underscoring the intricate interplay between brain function and psychological responses. Neural complexity. The brain's neural network comprises billions of neurons interconnected through synapses, forming intricate pathways for information processing and communication. This intricate neuron forest enables diverse cognitive functions, sensory perceptions, and motor control essential for daily activities and interactions. Debugging the brain utilization myths. Contrary to popular belief, humans utilize their entire brain capacity rather than a fraction of it. Advanced imaging techniques reveals ongoing activity across various brain regions, dispelling misconceptions about dormant brain areas. Cholesterol's cognitive role. Cholesterol, often associated with cardiovascular health, also plays a vital role in a brain function. The brain's high cholesterol content and unique metabolic process highlights its dependence on this lipid for neural communication, memory, formation, and overall cognitive health. Dream dynamics and brain activity. Exploring the science behind dreams unveils the brain's intricate emotional processing during sleep. The limbic system's involvement, including the amygdala linked to emotions like fear, provides insights into dream content and subconscious brain activities. Memory mechanism. Understanding memory dynamics sheds light on the brain storage and retrieval processes. Short-term memory retention, durations, and working memory capacities offer glimpses into cognitive load management and information processing strategies. These insights deepen our appreciation for the brain's complexities, resilience, and adaptive capacities. Ongoing research continues to unravel the mysteries of brain function, paving the way for innovative treatments, interventions, and neuroscientific discoveries. Sadhguru's brain test report will shock you. Click here to watch the video now. If you find this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Pranam.